Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a haul from Scrapbooking for Less. And I really have debated whether to share any of the hauls that I've been asked to. So I'm going to go ahead and share. This was ordered before all the chaos broke out and the illness broke out. So I have just opened the boxes just now. I just honestly haven't felt like it. And yeah, I mean, that's just where I've been. I know that sounds, I don't know. And I even have like 2 bags from Target that I got that I need to decorate my house with. And I thought, I'm going to share that with y'all. So tomorrow I plan to do all of that. So I'll do another video real quick of that too. And then I have 2 boxes from Happy Planner that were sent, and I have not even opened them. So I hope you guys are okay with this. I really want to be respectful of everyone and everything. And I know that a lot of you watch YouTube to take your mind off of these things. So that's why I've decided, I've held them for weeks, and I've decided I'm going to go ahead and share. So, okay. And actually, I didn't hold them. Post office held them for 3 weeks. And then when I got them, I held them for almost 2 weeks now. So, anyways, but here we go. So, ooh, gosh, doggone it, I opened it upside down. Of course. You know. So, all right, I'm going to put that there, and here we go. So these are just some extras that they threw in. Isn't that cute? So let me pull this out so maybe you can see that better. That is so cute. And that is so cute. And I have to think I ordered that. I'll have to go back and check. But for my granddaughter. And there's that. And then here's another one of those frames. So, and then I ordered, and I always save that cardstock, or cardboard. And I always save these bags because they're just great to sort in when you're doing projects. Okay, so this is a adhesive back die cut. Interesting. Okay, so you can use them like big stickers when you're scrapbooking and things, and I think it's so cute. So I will use that for, I know you know, my girls and my granddaughter. So, alright, let me see what else I can get out of this box. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. So, I picked up this die, I Love Jesus, and I love that for our summer camps, or our spring camp, any of our camps, our seasonal camps. And I always love these. Everything was out of clearance. This was on sale, but it was not on clearance. So, anyway, so, this one's great. Love, grow, all of that. You are amazing. You make me happy. Celebrate today. So that I will use in my Rolodex, my memory decks project. Baby girl. You guys know I love that. And these are just great sentiments. Let me see here. It says, a father carries pictures where the money used to be. Tough shoes to fill. The way to a man's heart is through breakfast. So I thought those were cute for Father's Day. And then Now and Then, these are just great to use in scrapbooking, in journaling, in Bible journaling, all of that. I had gotten this for our summer camp. Uh-oh, sorry guys. Okay, I had gotten this for our summer camp, to do another summer camp, but I just want to stop here really quick. I've really prayed about, we really can't do a spring camp right now, but maybe we'll combine that, because I have all the materials, and I mean, I hope you'll give me feedback on what you guys would like to do. Or if you want to do a short one when everything is released, and then another short one later in the summer, we can do that too. Late spring, summer camp, and then a late summer camp, and then we'll be back to fall in November. So, World's Greatest Mom, all the mother stickers. I love that. Being a full-time mother is one of the highest salaried jobs since the payment is pure love. I agree. Had to get the little cute mermaids. Those were, again, on clearance. And then I also picked up the I Love Crafting. I think these were on sale, or I had a coupon, but I did not have, I don't think these were on clearance. So, you know, I love Scrapbooking for Less for their clearance. Okay. let me see here. And I literally have this in there upside down, so I'm having to be careful. Okay, so these were on clearance. Uh-oh, something fell. And that was on clearance. And these are like $1 or 50 cents each. It's such a good deal. And then, let me see here. We've got this. Super cute. All the homemade with love. Love that. The crafting. And the little girl, you know, tea party, ponies, all that. I keep telling my granddaughter, you need to tell your granddaddy. Tell him you want a pony. She's 5 months old, but I'm telling her now, so she'll have to get a pony. We can take care of it. Okay. Use kind words. Count your blessings. And these are great stickers. Those are great for memory decks. Also, I picked up this. It has some sentiments and lettering, and that's great for journaling, Bible journaling. And these were all clearance. You know me, it had to be clearance. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Oh, it's one of the, I've already showed you it, so it's okay. One of the clear acrylics that came in earlier. So here's the little boy, so cute, because I have all these nephews. And I love this, because that's even, you know, a divider you can use. Love all these. Peace and thank you. Happy Spring, which I love. Golly, I love that one. So cute. And then 4th of July. Here in America, of course, you know what that is. Red, white, and blue. And then Believe, Strong, Hope. And this is for cancer survivors. So, I'm surprised we don't have any of the other. I am not going to pull this all out, but I did get lots of Christmas. Hold on. Let me see if I can do it this way. I don't want to hose you. Okay, so I did get one sticker sheet that went to a Bo Bunny sticker kit. I thought those are charming. And then, so here is some of the paper. So I'm just going to try to flip it this way, and then I'll flip it the other way. I don't know how to do this quickly, but lots of journaling cards. So I figured while I'm home, I can do lots of journaling cards, cut those out for all my memory decks projects and Bible journaling, and just lots and lots. So I wanted to do something here for spring and Easter, and then I had gotten that sticker sheet that goes with that series, and I just, you know, ordered some of the papers, and then I ordered lots and lots and lots off of their clearance. So their clearance papers are fantastic, like 50 cents for 2 or $1 for 2 or any of that. Oh, look at this vintage Christmas. I love this series. This is by, Cartabella, and it's a Very Merry Christmas. I love that whole series. So I wanted to cut those up and have those ready for next year. And yeah. So I know I'm not doing a great job on this paper, but look at this. I love that. So I got this vintage because I'm going to be doing a recipe book with my Happy Planner, and I thought I'd add some of these in. Yeah. I mean, there are some really neat things. And right now, Happy Planner's got a sale too right now, so there are the dots to that. And then look, all the fall, all the vintage. You know me. You know me, I love the vintage, so I'm not going to make you look at all the paper, but the stickers are fun, and the other things are fun. So, let's keep moving on, because there's more. I mean, it's crazy what you get and what you spend with these guys. I feel kind of guilty, but in reality, I didn't spend that much, because everything is clearance, but a very few things. So, alright, now I think I've got some kits, and that'll be much easier to share. Wait, whoops. I've got one more big one full of paper, and I'm just going to show it to you like this. It's just all the different papers that I found that were journaling cards and or sale. So, or if it was baby, you know, because I'm always looking for stuff for my grandbaby. But isn't that cute? It's just so cute. So, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. But Echo Park, you know, Cartabella, all of those. There's even some of the, it's either 1-2 Canoe or October. Oh, I'm blanking out right now, but you know what I'm talking about. I love this series because they're very vintagey. Okay, now, I think, oops, there's a little bit more in the box. Hold on. Oh, goodness, I got to reach down in there. to make me work for this. Hold on, guys. Just one second. Ugh. Okay. There we go. Now we have that for trash. So I picked up the mermaid because summer's coming. It's like, that's weird. It's kind of torn, like, maybe somebody got a little bit of it, but that's okay. I thought that was just really sweet. You can see more there. So I love that. And now, this will be easier. So I picked up A Very Merry Christmas, and I have some of those additional pages in it. Because, you know, when I do my Christmas, 25 Days of Christmas, I usually do one for my children. I also picked up, isn't this gorgeous? This is all scripture. I just love it. It's Echo Park. It is Forward with Faith by Lori Whitlock. I love Lori. And this is Have Faith, and this is Echo Park. And I'm trying to see, is this by Lori as well? It's not saying. Anyways, I love that one. Look at that. I am a child of God. I wonder what that was saying. It's I'm a child of God. Okay, then I picked up just the Forward with Faith additional coordinating solid sheets. There's the colors. And then to go with that one Bo Bunny chipboard stickers. Okay, there is one box. I will come back with the next box so it just won't be as long. Okay, friends, thanks for stopping by. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you are working on any projects right now, I would love to hear what you're working on. And I'll be right back with part 2. So I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I'll probably put these out over a series of maybe weeks, you know. So we aren't doing Tuesday morning right now, so I thought I would put these on there. Okay, friends. Again, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will talk to you later. Stay safe. Love you. Bye-bye.